Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley Janae here, and in this video we are going to be talking about all of the apps and tools that I use for my business to make it successful and to allow my business to run more smoothly. Now if this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching.
Magic got that black girl magic, that black girl magic. She's bold, she's independent, sweet like honeycombs, but she's all about her business. Got that black girl magic, that black girl magic. Got that.
Now, Instagram is the powerhouse of visual marketing. Instagram allows you to showcase your products or services, connect with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. And you can drive traffic using your Instagram with Instagram Reels, with posts, with Instagram stories, with Instagram ads. There are a lot of ways that you're able to target your direct audience and gain more traffic and customers. Here's an overview of my Instagram Reels and just basically how they are performing since I've uploaded them. I always check my insights from the actual post just to see how many of my followers are actually engaging in my post, who sent it to other people, and how many people that are not following me are actually engaging and watching the watch time that I get on videos. And you can all see all of that on your insight of your videos, and it's very good to see to check out your insight so you'll know what videos to post more of. I know that my audience enjoy vlog style snack bar videos, so me going to the store, picking out snacks and redoing my snack bar. They love informative videos when I'm teaching them something regarding a skill or a new income. They love the decor videos, so just make sure you are making more videos that your audience like. Next up, we have TikTok. Next up, number 3, we have YouTube and YouTube Shorts. So here is a quick snapshot of my YouTube Shorts. All of my Instagram or TikTok videos that I post, I just drag them over here, and they are performing very well since I really don't have a lot of subscribers, but I noticed that anytime you search anything in the search bar, your YouTube Shorts will come up as well. So make sure you're posting on YouTube Shorts. So I would recommend the videos that you post on your Instagram or your TikTok that you also upload those videos to YouTube Shorts so they can surface on that platform as well. Number 4 is Google Business. Now, Google Business has grown my business. I recommend all of my clients to leave me reviews so that I am able to increase my SEO and my visibility on Google. So when someone types in some Houston beauty specialist or eyebrows near me, I'll be one of few that pops up first in that Google search. Managing your online presence, collecting reviews. Now let's jump over to keeping your finances intact. Quickbooks is able to track your expenses, manage invoices, and generate financial reports. And it basically ensures that your business and you are staying on top of your finances and keeping track of all your expenses that your business has. If you're into video editing, Final Cut Pro is a professional grade software that are able to bring boring videos and to give it a little bit more pizzazz and character. Now, Final Cut Pro, I only use Final Cut Pro when I am editing long form content and if I want to add a little bit extra to my short form videos before I post them on Instagram. Now, Final Cut Pro comes with all sorts of plugins that pointing at something, I could add a little ding sound. I could enhance a word over here to the side and make it a little bit more bolder so I can put more emphasis on what I'm saying. It's good to get a really good video editing tool to bring your videos to life a little bit more and a little bit more character to your videos so it can draw more attention to your audience. And also, Cap and Cut is another video editing software that I love to use. Cap and Cut, you can also use it on your phone, and Cap and Cut is what I use to edit all of my short form videos such as Instagram Reels and TikToks, and it's very simple, very beginners friendly, and I do pay a subscription for it. I recommend anyone to pay subscriptions for things that you know will benefit you. Moving along to graphics. Now, one of the tools that I use to make my graphic flyers, Instagram posts, Canva offers easy to use templates for social media posts, presentations, and more. But I do recommend that you pay for that subscription for Canva, because you will get a lot more for what you are trying to work with and do. The paid version of Canva includes unlimited stock photos and elements that you're able to use for your graphic flyers. And all of the elements that you see with the crown on the bottom right hand corner are included in your paid subscription. So any of the elements that's not included comes with the free version. So it's about $10.99 a month. Make it part of your budget and let's get it. I also recommend that you try to use Adobe Photoshop. I use Adobe Photoshop to give my flyers more of an upscale appearance. Now, Adobe Photoshop is definitely more of an advanced option. Canva is definitely more beginners friendly. You also have social media templates that you're able to create from third-party websites such as FreePic. Envato Elements is one of my top places that I get all of my icons, backgrounds, flyers to edit from, and they basically have templates similar to Canva that you're able to download from these third-party websites, take it into Adobe Photoshop and edit it as is, and basically add your own branding into that flyer. Now, moving forward to Mojo. Mojo helps you create stunning animated stories for your social media posts, and they also have pre-made templates that you can use to start from as well. So you can easily add text and visuals to this video to make sure that you are continuously captivating your audience eye. Add all of my final touches and then post it on Instagram or Reels, and increasing engagement. Moving forward to Envato Elements. I spoke briefly on Envato Elements, speaking about Adobe Photoshop. Now, Envato Elements is an extensive library of premium stock photos, videos, music, fonts, website templates, product mock-ups. It makes it more appealing, adding a more professional touch. Now, moving along to organizing your thoughts. Where am I keeping all of my creative ideas, my business plans, templates? That will be Notion. Notion allows you to organize your thoughts, collaborate with your team, manage projects. Note-taking allows you to track tasks, and overall improve your productivity, ensuring a effective business operation. The next tool that I recently just added on, and that has became a really big beneficial for my business, and I use ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT assists you in generating content, answering customer inquiries, and providing creative ideas. When I tell you ChatGPT allows you to save so much time if you have a big workload of things and you are just stuck and just have a brain fart, don't know where to go, don't know how to move forward, and it basically acts as a great resource and personal assistant to you, helping you word and communicate things more effectively, allowing you to get the message across basically straightforward and straight to the point. Now, for example, I could type in create me a catchy Instagram title or flyer title, and it will generate a catchy title for me to use. Next up is Plannable. Now, Plannable is a scheduling software tool that I use to schedule my posts for my social media platforms, which is Google Business, Instagram, TikTok, and also I'm just starting to schedule my posts on Facebook and get more active on Facebook, because Facebook is where it's at too. I just didn't know how to maneuver around and gain an audience, but I have to be more consistent and just post every day on Facebook. But basically, Plannable simplifies social media content management, allowing you to schedule, collaborate, and preview your posts across various social media platforms. And it just basically allows you to be more organized when it comes to social media planning. Let's get into booking. I use Acuity Scheduling for my booking services. Acuity Booking provides online scheduling and appointment management, making it easier for clients to book services and reducing administrative tasks as well. Now, as far as the website hosting that I use to to create my website is Network Solutions. Network Solutions is kind of similar to a GoDaddy, but it's a little bit more high class and advanced, and it offers domain registration, website hosting, and online marketing tools. It's a great solution for establishing an online presence, ensuring that your platform is reliable, professional, and easy flowing platform for your business. By leveraging all of these apps and tools, you are able to enhance your marketing, become consistent, and ultimately maximize your business growth and success. Now, if you enjoyed this video and took away a couple things from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, and a whole lot of happiness. See you soon. Bye.